How to stop Microsoft Edge from blocking downloads. Hey everybody, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily stop Microsoft Edge from blocking your downloads. So let's just jump right in. Open up Microsoft Edge application on your PC, and then from here you're going to have to head over to settings. If you tap on this gear icon, it will only show you your page settings, but in order to head over to your browser settings, click on these three dots and then this pop-up will appear. Now find settings at the bottom of your screen. Once you land on the settings page, all you need to do is simply go ahead and find the privacy search and services tab and then click on it. Once you do that, from here you can manage your cookies. So go to cookies and then just scroll down a bit and click on see cookies and site data. It will show you all of the site data for your cookies and third-party apps. Now from here, you just want to go back and make sure that you're not blocking in third-party cookies as well. Turn this one off. And after going back, head over to site permissions and then click on all permissions. Now from here, you'll find pop-ups and redirects. Just click on it. Sometimes what happens is if you've blocked the pop-ups and redirects, they will stop you from being able to download anything or certain things that you're trying to download. Make sure that you turn this one off and then go back. Now just close your Microsoft Edge and then open it back again, and your problem should be now fixed. You should be able to download what you were not able to do before. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.